And there are reasons to be upset. We're all living through a really horrific time. We've seen, I mean, the horrors that I've seen just in my lifetime is just amazing. I'm not over a million dead Iraqis in my lifetime. I mean, I saw Vietnam, you know, so I remember Vietnam, and that was 2 million dead. Horrible napalm bombs, you know, all these terrible things they did. I mean, the Viet Cong, when they would bomb them with napalm, which burns the skin, you know, so they worked out that it wasn't waterproof. So if they went into water, it would stop the burning right away. So all the villages made big ponds. They dug things and put water so that when the napalm came, because the napalm was like they sprayed it. It came down. It was just, you know, it's gone on. So some scientist, probably in New Jersey or something, worked out how to have waterproof napalm. Like, why would you do that? Napalm's bad enough, but not even to give people, you know, it's just evil.